So I'm just going to say something that's going to be deemed as controversial, and they're going to probably want to toe the line online because of the simple fact of the matter that they're trying to be friends with everyone. So anyway, I believe that there are certain people that have been given way too much of a voice online, and they should not be given that voice. Only select amount of people are supposed to really be speaking like that. So therefore, if you cannot type or read or spell or tell time or even count for shit, stay the fuck out of the comment section. Social media needs something similar to something like you want to call like a Scantron. You know, shout out to those that know. If you know, you know. So we need a litmus test, and if you fail that litmus test, you get to pay a $1,000 fine. You fail 3 times in a row, you go straight to jail. Why? Because you're a threat to society. Oh, no. I'm not about to be held liable for how I respond to your retarded ass. Stay the fuck off the internet. No, we're not doing this. I understand that your favorite flavor of the crown is the red one and the purple one. Stay the hell out.